In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your Amazon Fire TV remote or Fire Stick remote and fix pairing issues. So, the first thing you want to do is turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall for 60 seconds. Then grab your controller and press the menu button, the back button, and the left button, and you want to hold this for 12 to 15 seconds. Now, I recommend you count this out because if you don't fully do this, it may not work. So, hold for 12 to 15 seconds, and then once you've done so, you can release and wait a couple seconds. Then take the back cover off, and we're going to remove one of the batteries. This is essentially power cycling and resetting your remote. And then what you want to do is plug your TV back into the wall and press the power button at the bottom of your TV. Then you want to put the battery back into your remote. And then we're going to put the back cover back on. And then you want to press and hold the home button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now, when you do this, the light on the top of your controller should start flashing. And if it flashes blue or orange, this is a good sign. Now, in my case, since my remote was already connected, I didn't really have many issues here. But if it's not connecting immediately, what I also recommend you try is spam press the home button because sometimes it doesn't work right away. Even in my case, it didn't work initially, but as you can see now, my controller is connected to my Fire TV, and this also works for your Fire Stick remote. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.